Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Ramil. Today's video we are doing a review with the one and only Unice Amazon. I haven't reviewed just like a regular basic curly wig from them, I don't think ever, and if I have, it's been a really long time. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So this is a 7x5 pre-cut lace front human hair wig. This is their Jerry Curl Pluck and Go Glueless wig. It is very, very full, as you can see, and it's really, really soft. Look at me just gliding my fingers through this. This is in the density of 180 and I have this in 16 inches. So the inside of the cap is pretty standard. You have 2 combs on each side of the wig. It also comes with an adjustable band right here that you can take off if you don't want it on. And there is also a comb at the bottom where your nape is located. So you have a ton of security with this wig and it's not going anywhere. Before I put it on, I am gonna tighten it first a little bit. I like to put mine around halfway. Yes, immediately, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Like, why are all their wigs so good? I don't even have the wig on correctly all the way and I'm already screaming yes. It looks really good, but since I am just a little shades darker than the lace, I am gonna go in with my Eben New York. This is their tinted lace mousse. I have it in the color light warm brown. And before you use this stuff, you just wanna make sure that you shake it really, 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 really good. I like to apply just a little bit onto my fingers because a little does go a long way, and rub it in.
Soundstripe.
So once you get that down to your liking, just take the end of a comb that you have, and I kind of like to make swirlies or like pull the baby hairs down a little bit, especially when it's curly hair, because I feel like it just helps blend in the lace. Once you get that to your liking, let's go ahead and put on our band so that way this can set into our skin. First impressions right off the bat, this wig is extremely soft. And I honestly feel like I don't have to do much. Like, I low-key don't even want to put water on it because I feel like it's already styled. First things first, what I'm going to do is grab my wax stick and I am going to touch up my roots since this has been in a box. We just want to flatten it, you know, anything to make the wig look more natural, I am here for. Then you want to go in with your hot comb.
Soundstripe.
I got our water bottle right here. Nothing's in it except for water.
Soundstripe.
Then you want to go in with some foaming mousse. I am using Lotta Body.
Soundstripe.
Then I'm going in with some Kaleidoscope. This is their Peach Cobbler Gel Styler to just hold in everything that we just did with the mousse and water. And this stuff has a very tight hold. You don't need to use much because it's definitely gonna hold. So as you saw, after I applied the styler, I just crunched up the ends a little bit to give it some more definition.
Soundstripe.
This is what the final results look like up front and up close and personal, very natural looking. I haven't even fluffed out the hair yet, so let's kind of fluff it out a little bit. I love it so much. It's so cute. I was trying to figure out what kind of style I wanted to do with this wig. I'm gonna show you guys what the back looks like. It stops around mid back here, and this is 16 inches on me. I'm gonna braid the top because why not? I think that's a little cute style that we could do.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So this is the final look. I think it's so cute. If you want to add bows to it, you can, but bows make me look like I'm 5 years old, so no bows for me. But this is such a cute, fun summer hairstyle, summer wig. I love that this hair is glueless. I love that it's natural, it's big, it's fun. The shedding wasn't bad at all, so that's good. You really don't have to worry about shedding on this particular wig. And I love that the wig isn't too long. Like 16 inches is long enough for me. If I did anything longer than this on a curly wig, it just becomes too much. And I love that you have that 7x5 lace space, so that way you have free party. You can wear your hair however you want. As always, you guys, I will have everything about this hair linked in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.